And again, as you can see the examples, people tend to make more money if they're selling something that they are very, very good at. So usually, as we see over here, they're selling cosmetics, they're selling makeups. I don't know why it's only women's on the example, but there's some success stories. Someone who got over 1.5 million views, and he had 15,000 orders, and he made live. We're talking about live sales over $350,000. Again, this is sales, guys. This is not profit. Again, this is just the revenue. Uh, I think it's worth trying, especially if you're like this one of these creators who are really making tutorials about how to do makeup, how to lose weight, something that is connected with activity that people can really see you trying it or see you using it.